This is the last problem from the Chapter 1 Challenge Question Packet. Take a moment to read the problem from your packet. Begin by identifying the values that you're given in this problem and write them down with the correct units. Okay, so this first bit of information that the problem gives me, if I write those down in terms of the ratio and I multiply them, that's going to give me how many milliliters of blood per minute the heart pumps. The next bit of information that I come across says that circulating all of the blood in the body through the heart takes about a minute. So I'm going to just kind of take notes on that, and hopefully it'll become apparent how I'm going to use it. And the last bit of information they give us is the density of the blood. So I'm going to write that down using my density notation and be sure to include units. So the first part of this problem is how much blood is in the body in meters cubed and in liters. Okay, so if all of the blood takes a minute, I'm going to multiply that by 75 beats per minute, multiply that by 70 milliliters of blood per beat, and then do the appropriate conversion factor to get my quantity into liters. And so there's my answer in liters. All right, and so for the other part of this problem, to get it into meters cubed, I will just use the appropriate conversion factors, that 1 liter has a decimeter cubed in it, and that 1 meter has 10 decimeters cubed. Note that I had to cube that last conversion factor. So when I put that into my calculator, I'm going to need to divide by 1,000, 10 cubed, not 10. And there you have it. That's my answer in the units of meters cubed. And the second part of this problem asks us to calculate what the mass of blood is that's pumped with each beat. We're going to start with the density of blood because that has mass in it. Then we will multiply by the number of milliliters per beat. We will convert those milliliters into liters. Then we'll use 2 conversion factors to go from liters into meters cubed. That way we can cancel with the meters cubed in the very first term there that came from our density. Don't forget that that last conversion factor is cubed so that those decimeters cubed and those meters cubed cancel out. So be sure to cube the 10 or make it 1,000 when you type it into your calculator. And there's my answer. Looking back at my problem, I am only allowed 2 significant figures in my final answer. I'll go ahead and convert those kilograms into grams as well. There you have it. That's my final answer.